very, very straightforward. What I'm going to do for you in this video is I'll show you locations in UK that most of the homes located there have got sponsorship licenses. I don't know how this was possible, but somehow I found an information on Instagram that led me here right now. So this is exactly what I'm going to share with you. So, and not just that, I'm going to show you how to verify. I'm not just telling you, oh, these people have got sponsorship. I'm going to show you proof, and also I'm going to go to Indeed and show you where to find these jobs, yeah, if they're hiring. And just, I'm not asking for money. All I'm asking from you is to please subscribe. This is my YouTube channel. Okay, we are currently at 221 subscribers. It's just simple. Click on that subscribe button, subscribe, so whenever I upload a new video, you get to find out and get updated. Yeah, so with that being said, let's get started. So the first location is, let's start with Stoneway. Yeah, Stoneway. So go to this website, carehome.co.uk. This is exactly where you find almost all care homes in UK, Scotland, every freaking place in UK. All of them are listed here. So go to the homepage, type carehome.co.uk and click on this, like the homepage right there, and then go to location, enter location, you type Stoneway as the location. Yeah, Stoneway right here, Western Isles is a town in England, in Scotland. So you see the types. If you're looking for older person's home, younger people home, or care homes, I'll simply select all care homes. Yeah, so spread our tentacles. We're not just limiting it to just old people's homes. Yeah, because old and younger people's home all sponsor, isn't it? Yeah, so this is the first step. The second step is to open up this website. So this website is called license-sponsors-uk.com/sponsors. So what this website does is it helps you verify if the company has got license. Yeah, so that's number 2. Then the third website will be opening is Indeed. So Indeed is a website that's like employers go to list jobs, available jobs. If any company is hiring, the first place most of them think of to list that job opportunity is on Indeed, and that's what we're going to be using as well. So let's go back to carehome.co.uk. So we're in care homes in and around Stoneway. Yeah, so what we do is we'll start from the first care home. So if you click on the first care home, you see here the name of the care home is More Health Care Home. That's it. Yeah, so we're just going to copy the name right here, copy, and go to what we want to do right now is to find out if this care home has got license to sponsor. That's the first thing. So you come here and click on More Care Home on this license website here, and click on search. So most times, look, this name doesn't come back as they've got license, but we could delete home and just leave it at care. Let's see, we're just searching. So search, and it doesn't have it. Quite alright, yeah, that's fine. But I want to tell you that this home might actually end up having a license, because this is one thing that happens. So if you this is the name of the home, quite alright, but most companies have got a group. So, and the care homes are under a group, and some of the licenses they've got are under that group's name. So let's take for example this More Care Home now is the care home, but if you check here, you see something about Sanctuary Care. So if you come down there, this is how you know the owner or the group. So if you come down there, look, this is More Care Home, and you scroll down here, and you see Sanctuary Care Limited is the name of the group that owns this care home. Yeah, so instead of looking under More Care Home as the name of looking if they've got sponsorship, you can come down here and see if they're under a group name, copy that group name, and then come to this license verifier website and paste that group name here, and let's search again to see if this group have got license to sponsor. Right there, do you guys see? So you've got Sanctuary Care Limited, you've got Sanctuary Care Solutions, Sanctuary Limited, Safe Sanctuary. I don't know if it's any of these, but at least that buttresses my point. Let's open up this and see if it's somewhere located where in West Midlands. Okay, so I think Sanctuary Care is not actually the name of the care home, the group that has license, so we're just going to skip. But I just want you guys to get the drift, yeah. So this is another one, Meadows Nursing Home. They are under Sanctuary Care. I'm just going to quickly search to see if maybe they've got the home have got the license in their name. Just going to check this out. No. So nothing. No. Okay. So, and most of these care homes, look, Sanctuary Care that owns them. So we've got Barchester Highview Care Home. This is another one. So we could actually, is owned by Barchester Care Limited. So we could search up this one. I'm just going to fasten up this process, but you get my point, yeah? So we'll search. No. So what we want to do, click on here and we'll check Barchester as the group. I think Barchester Healthcare Limited is the group. We'll copy and come here and search Barchester Healthcare. Oh, okay. So there you have it. So Barchester Healthcare Limited. You see, in a different name. I just deleted that LTD. Yeah? Barchester Healthcare Limited has got license to sponsor. If you click on here, you see the details there when they added, when it was added. That's 18 February 2026 this year. That's when they got their license and all of that. Yeah? So this is the first care home, you know. This is the name of the group though, not the care home. So if you want to know if this care home is is currently recruiting, most times they don't list jobs here. If you click on jobs, usually if they have listings on this website, it shows. But since they don't mostly list job on this website, so you should go to Indeed and then do your job search here. So Barchester Healthcare Limited. So Barchester Healthcare, you could go to search on Indeed and then find jobs. Yeah. So Barchester Healthcare. So if you click on Barchester Health on one of the search, click on here, it opens up to their page on Indeed and just go to jobs. And you see Barchester Healthcare, they've got over 1,000 jobs on here. Over 1,000 jobs. And as you can see, look, almost all of them. The location, you've got Edinburgh and a whole lot of them. So yeah, a whole lot of them, a whole lot of 1,000 jobs on here already on Indeed. And then this is where you apply, as I said. Yeah, so you could scroll down, any position that fits you, you know, that qualifies. You look at the salary structure, you look at the pay hour, and if it qualifies for sponsorship, then you apply right there. Like this one, £14.81, which qualifies, isn't it? Yeah, so that's just number one care home here. So if you go back, if you see this one, ISO view, so let's search if this care home has got a license as well. Oh, sorry. Okay, ISO view, this is another care home. Search for it. No, nursing home, no, they haven't got. So we'll click on it, open it up and look if they're under a group. Definitely under a group. Maybe scroll down here. They are under Akam Care Limited. Akam Care Limited. So you copy it and they are owned by them and search Akam Care Limited right here. Okay, they haven't got a license. Akam Care. So Akam Care Limited, see, instead of typing LMTD. So Akam Care Limited is located in Rossshire. This is definitely in Scotland, located in Scotland, and they just added 2025. So you see, this care home under this group has got license to sponsor. So what do? You could just go with Akam Care Limited, the name, because definitely this care home might not be there. So all you could do is to copy their name and go to Indeed. Go to Indeed and search up with their name to see if they've got any job posting. No, they haven't got any job posting here, which is quite okay. Or you could even search up their name, hold on, to see if they've listed a job on Indeed. Probably. No, sorry. search. Okay, so ISO view nursing jobs, no. Okay, so there you have it. This one isn't there, so it's just a continuous process. You keep go down, so you have this Redwoods nursing whatever, which is under Mail More Limited. So scroll down here, Mail More Limited, copy it and go verify if they've got license. Right here, paste it here. Memo Limited, look, they've got in Ivanes. Memo Limited, they've got license to sponsor right there. Yeah, so you could copy their name, as I said, go to Indeed and see if they've got any job posting, current job posting. Okay, they haven't. Let's see. Memo. Oh, look, yeah, there you have it. Memo. You click on it, they've got 16 jobs listed right here. Car assistant, and car assistant, and all of that. Activities, support, and look, all of these, they've got 16 jobs listed. So I could go on and on and on. Like, this is just one location that I'm searching for. Yeah, this is just one location, which is in Stonaway, and you've got all these homes that have got license, almost all of them, and you've still got how many homes in total? You've got 30 homes, isn't it? Yeah, 30, just in this one location. So in the next video, just make sure you subscribed. In the next video, I'm also going to review the second location, do the same process, and show you, so you know where to focus, so you're not just doing guesswork, and it helps reduce your time you waste in just shooting blank. The beauty of all of this is, at least now I've shown you know the location where to look, you know how to verify if they've got license, so you're not just maybe calling them up and asking if they've got license. No. And you also know how to search the name of the company, the variations on Indeed, and apply directly. It saves you a lot of time doing this. Yeah, so I wish you all the best. As I said, I'm still not yet out. I'm looking for job myself. It's a tough place to be in. You just have to be mentally strong to get out of this. It's a very dark place to be. I don't know how to describe it, but I know at the end of all of this that all of us will get out of this and be more settled in our careers, in our workplaces. Yeah, okay, that will be it for today. Bye for now. Make sure you subscribe, share this video, leave a comment. Bye.